A wind farm constructed by a Chinese company in Croatia was officially inaugurated on Tuesday. The farm, built by China's Norinco International with a total installed capacity of 156 megawatts over an area of 42.8 square kilometers, is expected to produce about 530 million kilowatt-hours of green electricity each year, and reduce the country's carbon dioxide emissions by about 460,000 tons per year. Croatian Prime Minister Andrej Plenković said at the launch ceremony that the farm in Senj, a city on the Adriatic coast in western Croatia, is key to the clean and renewable energy sector in the city and in Croatia in general. The Prime Minister also applauded the good relations between the two countries and the increasing volume of bilateral trade this year, which is expected to surpass the $1.4 billion registered last year.